some we are where. I'm out for German Mokroman. We will not allow a second number one to happen in this country again until the Bank of Ghana recognizes that space. Who need wine in this country?
But I also don't have the crypto coins.
I'm telling you. Now, nobody will be allowed the space. Enough of the nonsense and how they take advantage of the vulnerable Ghanaians. Please, they make kind of say. So we nobody has the power on his own. The space aspect now, Bank of Ghana for almost one release on the buy and the crown. Tokro did and change. We will not allow illegality to run as a normal thing in this country.
Securities and Exchanges Commission.
You're bread with a number one. You're bread with Piram. You're bread with R5. You're bread with US tilapia.
Yeah, US tilapia. Yes.
And it becomes a problem for the government of the day. I'm saying that until the Bank of Ghana regulate that space, who don't be try cryptocurrency and as a freedom power. What nonsense is this?
But people have taken advantage of social media.
And I'm saying I don't want to even talk about that. I'm saying about 10. You see, we have a responsibility because we go through stressful moments. Security system ni. Obia father general baby system no ko. Ni aye no mangu na manfo wu sa. What is this? BC Insurance Release. Let me give the Education Ministry a warning.
No, organize you.
Now, who form contract now? Independence Square,
placement.
Please, we have suffered enough in this country. It's a improve that. You improve that. Obai a social we now no or school the next stage no. And so I just go Independence Square. What nonsense is this? Why? When you die foolishly. As if say yes or Ghana and Kwanoti.
Yeah.
People die avoidable deaths in this country. When conscience is work was.
Over the weekend, Nipadudwa actually over the weekend. It's sad.
I acknowledge it. This is the point.
Kwabena guy.
What are the NMF?
I'm out for the name of your bomb. I see you
for no member. Oh, okay. I say Cynthia Marco, good morning, CJ and Nsem. My name is Asante is looking good. I see you.